Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. I know I've been gone for a little minute, bro. I ain't uploading in like 4 months, bro. I'm sorry, man, but we finally got the Chrysler 300 back. If y'all don't know, but y'all don't know, I ain't tell y'all what happened. Bro, my Chrysler was out of commission, bro. The Chrysler 300 was out of commission, bro. I ain't gonna lie, all my struts were bent. My knuckles were bent. Everything from my suspension and everything like that, bro, was bent, bro. So we just got everything fixed, man. And as y'all can see, we got the goddamn Chrysler 300 outside, man. But I ain't gonna lie, we in the trenches right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. We in the trenches of St. Louis. We in Wellston. Right now, bro. It's a dang near sexy red hood for real. Like I said, bro, we got the Chrysler back, bro. No cap, man. Got that thing ruined real quick, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We finna do a cool little cut up. This gonna be like a cool little cut up and the explanation what's been going on, bro. I know I've been gone for like 4 months, but your boy Dog is back, man. We got that thing back now, bro. And we finna cut up real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's like 8 in the morning, bro. What time is it right now, bro? Hold on, bro. It's literally 8 in the morning, bro. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm making a video for y'all, bro. We woke up in the morning, make a video. Right after this video, man, we going to the gig, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all don't know, I'm a car salesman now too, bro. A lot has been going on in these last 4 months, y'all. A lot has been going on. But your boy Dog is now a car salesman. We got the Chrysler 300 back. Don't mind the check engine light. We just turned the tune on. You know what I'm saying? We got that underground tune. We finna pop this thing a little bit. Let me see if we can get a good little rev in this bit. Cool little rev, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. We finna get this thing cracking though. But like I said, man, the Chrysler 300 has been out, man. All my suspension was messed up. The potholes in St. Louis is terrible. So I don't know why I'm coming to the worst part of St. Louis damn near and finna drive, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, there's hella potholes over here in Wilson too, bro. No, but I for real missed y'all, man. We finna drop 2 uploads a week. I ain't gonna lie, we finna go into 2025 rolling and rocking, bro. So make sure y'all subscribe now. Don't subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, your mom's a hoe. I'm sorry.
Okay.
But let's take a look at the 300 again. I ain't gonna lie, nothing too much crazy is different, bro. I added the little $300 sticker. We painted the Brembo's green. I gotta add the Brembo sticker real quick. But it's still the same mods and everything. If y'all want me to do an updated mod list, y'all let me know. But shit, enough of that talking, man. Let's get into it, man. We got the Chrysler 300 ready to go. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold out here too, y'all. So the car might be a little faster. I ain't gonna lie, over here though, bro, it's hella speed bumps and shit. So I don't know how this about to go today, bro. There's speed bumps all over here, bro. Dang. Oh, shit. That bitch, hold on. That bitch getting a little, hold on. That bitch getting a little active now. Hold on. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. This is the worst place to cut up in, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I ain't got no tires. Every time I push it, bro, I'm sliding. Definitely need some new tires in this bitch. I missed this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I missed this motherfucker. That's why I'm so quiet. My bad, I'm so quiet, y'all. This motherfucker, bro, I missed this motherfucker so much, bro. Definitely need some new tires, though, bro. These bad boys low-key finna go out. I ain't gonna lie. Every time I'm talking about... Damn, I missed this bitch, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, bro. And like I said, man, 2 uploads a week now, bro. go up again fucking with y'all, man. God damn. Love hearing my little pops. That motherfucker trying to get right. We gonna make a cool little left right here. Got another Chrysler right here. Look Chrysler motherfucker right there. This bitch trying to get right, man. I ain't gonna lie. Get some new tires on this bitch. We gonna be moving. Oh, speed bump. Oh! I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We finna go to Sexy Red High School real quick. I ain't gonna lie. We right around the corner from it. I'm gonna show y'all Sexy Red High School. But I hope all y'all been good, bro. I hope all my subscribers, all my dogs, goddamn, my supporters, goddamn rocking. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all chasing y'all goals and shit. Cause I'm chasing mine, goddamn me. Y'all already know we about to make the first hell dog in this bitch cat, man. So I'm gonna need y'all to support your boy dog. So we can get this bread, goddamn me. And I can goddamn turn this bitch up for y'all, man. But we gonna keep the same body. We gonna keep the, oh shit. Niggas got a vet. These niggas got a vet and shit. Ain't got damn caddy in that bitch in the cut. Man, I miss this bitch, bro. I miss pushing this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm just making this video for y'all, man. Just wanted to let y'all know what's been going on with your boy dog, man. I know a lot of people been wanting me to upload and shit, but I couldn't. I could've. I made an excuse. I've been going to car meets and shit. I could've been recording for y'all, but I ain't gonna lie, your boy dog been sad. He ain't got his whip, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, my right tire is weak as fuck. This bitch sliding every time I push this motherfucker on my soul. Yeah, but we can't cut up too much, y'all. We can't weave through traffic, bro. We got too many stoplights, too many goddamn speed bumps, too many stop signs in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of busy right now. Like I said, it's 8 in the morning, y'all. So motherfuckers going to work and shit. I'm over here cutting up and shit for y'all. No cap. Yeah, this like a mini cut up session slash talk on my people's type of vibe. This ain't fully cutting up. Saturday though, or Saturday and Sunday, like I said, I'm gonna do 2 uploads a week. 2 uploads a week, man. I got 2 uploads a week for y'all. Hey, and if anybody know how to fix this damn fucking panoramic, bro, please let me know, bro. When I put it down, y'all, it's gonna start squeaking. I don't know if y'all hear that. Let me turn the tune off. I don't know if y'all can hear what I'm saying. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all heard that little cracking noise. It's like, I think the rubber's like, I don't know, bro. We pulling up to Sexy Red fucking High School right now, man. Normandy High School, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's sexy. We in Sexy Red Park right now. You know what I'm saying? Normandy High School and shit. They fucking ass in football, though. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, bro, I miss this fucking car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. My bad, y'all. Y'all ever hear me just quiet? It's just because I'm listening to my shit, man. I ain't been able to push my shit in a while. I ain't want my strengths to bend more and fuck up some more shit. So your boy been kind of just driving very respectful, very demure. You know what I'm saying? Your boy dog been fucking driving very demure lately, bro. I ain't been really cutting up too much. I know it's a Fed up here somewhere sitting up here. I seen him earlier. So we gonna cruise real quick. Do y'all hear that squeaking noise? I know y'all hear that squeaking noise, bro. That shit is annoying the fuck out of me. I don't know how to fix it. It's definitely the rubber though. When I make the here the top, yeah, look. Got two of them sitting right there. Two of them sitting right there. No sirski. You will not be catching me, broski. We're gonna make a right, and then shit, we're gonna push this bitch again a little bit. I can cut up on the highway for y'all a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. I gotta get this fixed though, bro. It keeps squeaking, man. If somebody knows how to fix that, please let me know in the comments, bro. All AI generated. I am not even real. But shit, man, I'm finna go home real quick, you know what I'm saying? Get the daily, get to the gig and shit. You know what I'm saying? That's the rest of my day for real. But I just want to get a little video off for y'all, let y'all know I'm still here. Your boy dog's still rocking. That was another little Chrysler. I don't know who that was. I feel like I seen him before though. Oh, damn, Fed's right there. I can't even cut up. Damn. Let me chill. All right, y'all. So now we made it to the gig, man. You know what I'm saying? Genesis and Hyundai. As y'all can see, man, we got a whole bunch of, you know what I'm saying? My boy Dylan, my boy Don. Oh yeah, we got a whole bunch of Genesis, G70s, G80s. Got some G90s out there. I'm gonna show y'all what them G90s looking about. Them things crazy like a mini Maybach. I'm gonna lie, it's colder than goddamn Narnia pussy in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. But we got some Jeeps. We got some more Genesis. And we got a whole bunch of Hyundai, some Jeeps for sale, Cherokee, you know what I'm saying? We got the Sahara. We got a whole bunch of stuff here, man. Got a whole bunch of Elantras, you know what I'm saying? Konas. You know what I'm saying? Little Palisades, little Santa Fe, man. Y'all come shop, man. And I ain't gonna lie, the Genesis we got, bro, it's actually crazy as hell. The Genesis is actually like the new Maybach right now, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the Genesis, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's the hardest car ever, bro, but it's hella expensive. We got some used cars as well, y'all. We got an Alfa Romeo. Like I said, we got that Jeep I just showed y'all. We got a Tesla down here as well. We got an Audi A6. Make sure y'all, hey, come on, man. Y'all see the rims? Y'all see the rims on this bitch? Come shop, man. The boy, hey, I ain't gonna lie. $100 down payment. Your monthly payment gonna be like $100. I got you, bro. We got this Camaro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit low key ass. Don't cop that. Fuck that. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, we got some Nissan Altimas. You know what I'm saying? We got that nice motherfucking Tesla right there. Got a goddamn GMC big body Miyagi motherfucker. Damn, got that bit right there. Oh. Boy, I ain't trying to break this motherfucker. God damn. Anyway, bro, this that Genesis motherfucker right here. This shit right here go crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the interior of this bitch, man. Crazy shit, bro. Massage seats and all, bro. I'm finna show y'all all this shit, bro. But hold on. Close that bitch up real quick. I'm telling you, it's literally like a Maybach, cuz. Like a little cheaper Maybach, bro. But it's $100K, so it ain't cheap, goddamn me. You feel me? But shit, you got all your heated seats. Oh, shit. Hold on. How they turn the music down? I ain't know how to turn the music down, bro. They trying to get me copyrighted in this bitch. But anyway, bro, y'all see all these effects and shit, man. God damn, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me get to the... I feel like the back is better than the front, for real. The back really better than the front, y'all. But y'all see, we got the massage sheets, man. You got the cool seats, the heated seats, the massage. Come on, bro. Crazy work, gang. I'm dead ass getting the massage, bro. Then it got the. Come on, man. Literally a Maybach, bro. And I'm 6'1", bro. And this, I ain't gonna lie, I put this all the way back and I still got hella room. This seat is all the way back and I still got hella room, bro. Crazy as hell. It's really like a Maybach Scat Pack. This thing got 450 horsepower, cuz. You low-key got some speed and you got all the luxury in this motherfucker, bro. I can control the music up here. Look, bro.
Music up in here, money long. She just keeps
crazy, bro. Control everything back here, cuz. Shit crazy as fuck. Like I said, man, y'all need a Hyundai, y'all need a Genesis, y'all need a used car. Come shop. I got you. $100 down payment. Your goddamn monthly payment only gonna be like $50. I got you. He coming back. Ooh wee. Hold on, y'all. It's finna get quick. Oh, shit. killed that bitch. He just killed that bitch, man. Okay, y'all, just moments shortly, bro, the feds came, bro. As soon as my boy got done sliding, bro, feds came quick as shit. All right, y'all, today is the next day, man. I just want to let y'all know what I've been going on, what's been going on with me and shit like that, with the car, with me and my life, you know what I'm saying? I know I've been going disappear for 4 months. Motherfuckers like, dog, where you at? That's, hey, I'm still here. You know what I'm saying? Just had to figure some things out, got everything figured out, bro. And we finna get this shit cracking, man. We got to take over later today. Today is Sunday. We got to take over later today. Finna record that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop that probably about 3 days after this video uploaded, bro. So 3 days after this video uploaded, y'all should get a takeover video. It's finna get wicked. I ain't gonna lie. St. Louis is gonna get nasty. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. But hey, make sure y'all stay tuned. Subscribe, drop a like. I love y'all. Appreciate everybody supporting your boy. Hey, we finna get this shit cracking. I love y'all, man. We out.